Are you tired of typing out responses in your Instagram group chats on your PC? Well, you're in luck. Instagram has just released a new update that allows you to react to messages in group chats with just a few simple clicks. In this video, we will show you how to react to a message in a group chat on Instagram on your PC. First, open up Instagram.com on your web browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the group chat where you want to react to a message. Next, find the message that you want to react to. Look for the message that you want to react to and hover your cursor over it. At the top of the message, you'll see a small icon. Click on this icon to bring up a menu of reaction options. You can choose from a variety of reactions like thumbs up, heart, laughing face, and more. Once you've selected the reaction you want, simply click on it to send it. Your reaction will then appear next to the message for all group members to see. And there you have it. Reacting to messages in a group chat on Instagram on your PC has never been easier. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram on your PC. See you next time.